Hello, welcome. This is Shows from CodeBoxer. Today I will introduce a new plugin. We just created or released a new plugin for Contact Form 7 and Trello. So what this plugin actually does, this plugin can send the Contact Form 7 data to Trello and create as a card in Trello. Like I have a Trello board, I have a contact form, I have a contact form. So if I submit this contact form, it will create a Trello card here or here or here as we set up. So before we check the how it works, we'll just go for a test. Let's. Okay, this is a new issue and this is message. So let's send this. I just received the email using my local SMTP. This is a new issue. This is my this was my query, and this is the email I received. And I have the Trello board, and this card is created new. So this is a new issue. This card is created from this form submit. Now I will show how we can install this plugin, use this plugin, and set up this plugin. Everything we need to know about this plugin. I'm in WordPress admin and I have this plugin installed. Sorry for taking long. So this is the plugin for this purpose, CBX Contact Form7 to Trello Posting. I have this installed. This plugin can be downloaded from our website and download from our website, and you can install from here and upload and activate. So after this is activated, and if you have Contact Form 7 plugin activated, then go to the integration tab. You will see something like this. At this moment, I already configured the API key and API tokens. So you will see something like this screen, like setup integration. So we'll go for the setup integration, because to send contact form data from here to Trello, we need to set up the Trello API. So let's see. We have a site called Trello API, Trello app key. This is in the Trello.com site. This is actually Trello developer website or API website. So in this website, we will find the API key and API token, and I'll click here. So this is the API site, and if you are first time in this URL, it will show something different and ask for it will ask to accept the API terms and conditions. So if you accept, then it will show something like this. So the developer API key I'm seeing here, I have to copy this and I'll put here. And now to get the API token, I have to click, you can manually generate a token. So let's click here. It will ask for permission. I have to click allow, and this is the API token. Okay, so let's put here. Now I'll save. So we are done with the first step for integrating Trello API, and this API will be used for any contact forms. So now we'll go to contact forms. This is the contact forms I already set up for testing, and I'll go there. And I already have the form fields, email template set up, message, additional settings, everything I need for a basic form. And this new tab, Trello Posting, is the new tab. It comes from this plugin. So we can enable, disable Trello Posting for individual form. So I already checked this, so to enable. And we need a Trello board list ID. That means I'll go to Trello once again. Sorry. And I have a API test board. So this is the board I'm using for testing. And this is a list, and this is another list. We need ID, technical ID of this list. and we need Trello card title and need Trello card template, and we can also enable disable file attachment. That means if a form has file field and if we enable that, then it can also send the file attachment to a card. The attachment will show like in this area. As we attach from here, it will go from here to here. Okay. So to find the Trello list, Trello board list ID, we will do a trick. We'll do a trick. We already have a card. We have 3 cards, or we can create a new card. Just click on any card, click the URL, go to a new tab and add JSON to the URL .json and hit. You will see there's something called ID list. ID list. I searched with ID list. So this is the list ID, and just copy this value. I already have put here, so I'm just putting here once again. And next we need to set the Trello card title. We can put the subject email tag, that's your subject, as card title, or we can also write extra text here. In the Trello card template, we can put the same email template, and also we can write any kind of HTML text here, which will be converted for Trello card compatible text. So we have everything we need, and we'll enable the file attachment, and we'll just save. Now I'm just rearranging the tab, I'm refreshing the page. Now our target is we'll write another form. This is new test. This is my message, and here is a file attachment. Suppose let's go to, I have a nice picture. I'll click send. There will be a new message received here in my local SMTP, and there will be a card here with the attached file. So let's click. So we received the email. This is a new test. Fine. Now go to the Trello board. Wow. So this is the Trello card just created from this contact form, and here it is. We can see the image here also. So this is how this plugin works. And for another form, we can just disable, we can enable, disable anything. So every single form will work individually for this Trello integration. I hope many of us uses Trello for task management, and Contact Form7 is one of the easiest and most used contact form plugin for WordPress. So this integration will help lots of people to track the form submission and give better support for client. We have lots of screenshots. I'm already showing everything in this video tutorial. We already have step-by-step tutorials here in the product details space. Every details we need here is written. So I think it will be easy. We have another. So actually, that's it for this plugin. We have other plugins for Contact Form7, and you can also explore from here. We have Contact Form7 WooCommerce order drop-down field. We have Contact Form7 WooCommerce product drop-down field, and one is free and another is pro. And if you need any kind of custom integration, please contact us. We can do any kind of custom integration for Contact Form7 to any other tool, like any CRM or any other website which has the API integration or some ways to integrate. So that's it. Thank you for checking this.